Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover disappeared Snapchat on iPhone. So the best way to do it is go into your wall and go to the gear button to go to the settings, and then scroll down until you see My Data here under the privacy controls. And then you need to choose chat history here and then tap next, and you're gonna choose the day, for example, and tap submit. Here it says Snapchat is creating a copy of files, and this process can take a long time to complete. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video is helpful.